Welcome to my channel. Let's discover Michelin Tyres, where innovation meets sustainability for unbeatable performance on the road. Join us as we delve into the world of Michelin, setting the standard for excellence in automotive engineering. Here are top 5 facts about this world's top brand. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Number 1. Innovation. Michelin pioneers tire technology, notably with the introduction of radial tires, revolutionizing the industry with enhanced performance and longevity. Number 2. Sustainability. Michelin prioritizes eco-friendly materials and technologies, reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions while actively engaging in tire recycling initiatives. Number 3. Performance. Renowned for exceptional grip, handling, and longevity, Michelin offers tires for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, trucks, and aircraft, meeting diverse performance needs. Number 4. Research and development. With global research facilities, Michelin invests significantly in advancing tire performance, safety, and efficiency through ongoing research and development efforts. Number 5. Endurance racing. Michelin's dominance in endurance racing, such as the Le Mans 24 Hours, serves as a testing ground for new technologies, ensuring superior performance and durability in consumer tires.